I mean, the construction industry generally is going through a massive change with new technology and new forms of innovation. The house building industry really needs that change because we've been building in a very conventional way for many, many years. So now, and you can see the industry changing a lot already. You've got off-site manufacturing, modern methods of construction, accelerated construction, a lot of clean tech, which I think is absolutely brilliant, and it's transforming the whole house building industry.
Working with Pearson, we've created some new units to the RQF BTEC, and they are around things which the industry now needs. Home building is quite traditional, so we want to bring in new materials. Design is a really important element of building homes, understanding what the customer wants and building for the customer. We don't do that very well at the moment, so this is a real opportunity. Thinking about economics and housing economics, just thinking about energy, which is incredibly important, sustainability. It covers all of those issues which you need in a modern house building environment, the things which we need to make great homes which are going to last hundreds of years and people are going to love living in.
From an employability perspective, now being an employer as a director of my own practice, the idea that we take on people who have got BTEC qualifications and have maybe done that sort of on-the-job experience as well gives them so much more rounded understanding and ability and experiences. From an employer perspective, that's a way more attractive proposition. So an individual that's got the academic understanding and been through that sort of training process, but has also got on-the-job experience is something that's ultimately really employable and something that we encourage. We want people that have got not just that academic qualification and experience, but also that on-the-job understanding and sort of journey as well.
One of the beauties of the BTEC route is it's a vocational route, so we're not necessarily looking for high-flying academics, but people who have come in and just have a feel or a passion for construction, designing and building houses, and they can kind of start off at the level 3 BTECs and then progress through from the BTEC to an HNC or an HND, and or go on and produce a degree.